Hi, it's Andy from Styles, and today I'm going to show you how to print onto 100% nylon. I have this scavenger jacket here from StormTech, and I'm going to show you just how easy it is to print on anything, the right equipment and the right technique. So I've got my Hotronix Dual Air Fusion. I've set up with a lower heated platen because I really want to protect this product, make sure I get a really nice finish on it. I've got my Grip Flex sheet, so I've got extra protection as a cover sheet, and I've also got a lower temperature transfer. So everything we're going to be doing today, we're going to be going down at 120 degrees centigrade. So this is going to be perfect for 100% nylon, even at tiny detail. So let's see how it's done. So step one, let's thread this jacket on here. So we're going to go with a nice left chest. Just get my heat transfer. I've gone for a digital hybrid transfer because I know I'm going to get really good results here. This is already warming up, so we don't actually need to do a pre-press on this occasion. I made sure the zip is away from the top platen, so I can place my transfer down. Very gently place the Grip Flex cover. Then let's bring it over here. And we're going to fuse for 12 seconds. I've got the power platen at 15 by 15 centimeter size, so I'm going to go for 20 PSI on this occasion. And the air power is great when you're using products like this because you can regulate the pressure as it goes down. So depending if you've got a thicker jacket or maybe like a thinner soft shell, it knows exactly what it's working with underneath. So send it back across, and then we're going to let this cool down because I've gone for a cold peel transfer today. And remember to be careful when you're taking the jacket off so we don't interrupt the fill process on the jacket. So now that we've let this jacket cool down, it's going to be an easy peel with this ultra color transfer. Just grab it by the corner and one smooth motion, and that's it, you're done. Super detailed onto 100% nylon. This has never been easier to decorate a really nice jacket like this scavenger from StormTech. A really smooth transfer, water-based inks as well. And this is going to hold up great even in the most testing conditions.